Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use some techniques to draw closed polylines, completely closed like this one, when the shape is kind of strange and difficult, not a square or rectangular, but something more difficult. It's extremely useful while drawing architectural plans for walls especially, but it can be applied to different areas as well. So I will show here some techniques and things that I use a lot. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, how did I achieve this situation here? Completely closed polyline, especially to use it for hatches. I'll demonstrate right away when I want to use hatch, and let's say I can pick a point over here like this, enter, and I'll change the type of the hatch, let it be solid, and you can see, voila, completely clean, no gaps, no errors. And in order to do this without any problems, and especially also this counts when you count areas or count the length of the walls, it can be used in many parts of the architectural process. So how to create this polyline completely closed. So let's say here around this door, one of the best tricks that I use is not the trim. This is the standard trim where you can choose this guy and say cut me this and this part over here. Sometimes it doesn't work, as you can see, because even the dot belongs to this line. It doesn't belong, it needs to pass through it, and then you can use the normal trim. But let's do it more smarter. I'll go back. Instead of trim or extend, use fillet. Go to the fillet option, and then the hidden trick is say radius and say 0 like this, and then go select one of the line and the other one, and look what is happening. It connects it. Press space to repeat the action. Select this line. Let me hide this door for a second. I can bring this line here with the right click, draw order, bring to front. So fillet, select this line and this one here. Great, it happened. This one is closed. And the same can be applied here, but how can we do it faster? I'll show you now the next command that I love. This is the break option. Here, in order to connect this wall and make it also one part as this one, the first option is of course the normal trim. I'll press it twice and just clean these lines, and now I need to connect this one with the flat. Or I'll go back to separate walls. I will use the command break. Just type it like this, and I'll break from here to here, this part of the wall, and then break here to here as well. I'll press the fillet again. Great. And then in order to connect these lines, they need to be, these are parallel or lying in the same direction. In order to use it to work, I need to choose this part and then go and select this part here, and now it worked. It's kind of a trick, but this is how the option is working properly. As you can see, you can achieve the same result by using different commands, different approaches and ways. Let me know in the comments below what you think and whether this helped you. If you find something useful, please let me know. You share and like the video. This will help me grow. I guarantee you that by using the fillet, you won't have any problems with the hatches, any bugs or stuff like this. As you can see, immediately it works, even for a strange and more complicated geometries. And what else? The thing is to know different options and to be flexible. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! Bones here. If you enjoyed anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below and join us. We have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.